Why is it that in a country of over 200 million people, owning a home feels like an impossible dream for many Nigerians? Okay, if you're watching this right now, chances are that you are either struggling with rent, fear of rising cost of land, or simply don't believe homeownership is within your reach. Does that describe you? I'm here to break down why most Nigerians will never own a home unless they do this. Let's start with the broken mortgage system. In developed countries, people can buy homes with as little as 5% down and pay the rest over 30 years. Hey, but in Nigeria, the average mortgage requires a down payment of 30 to 50%. Interest rates are as high as 20%, and banks prefer to give loans to people who don't even need them. Yes, I am talking about the rich. So if you're a working class Nigerian, forget about walking into a bank and getting a mortgage like they do abroad. That is pure fantasy. Let's do the math. Say you want to buy a house worth 50 million naira. If a bank asks you for a 30% down payment, that is like 15 million naira upfront if my math is right, okay? And if you somehow qualify for a mortgage, you will be paying back at an interest rate of 18 to 25% over 10 to 20 years, which will double the cost of the house. That's like buying two houses just to own one. So I ask you, does this system work for the average Nigerian? It's no wonder most Nigerians rely on just one thing to own a home: savings. But here is the problem. Land prices are rising too fast. Back in the early 2000s, you could probably buy a plot of land in Lekki for like 500,000 naira. Today, that same land costs 150 million naira or more. Even in outskirts like Ibeju, Lekki, the prices are catching up. So what does this mean for an average person earning 200,000 naira a month? Hey, it means that they will never ever catch up. By the time they save enough, prices would have doubled or tripled. So if you're waiting to save enough before buying land, you are playing a losing game. But don't lose hope yet, okay? Because there is the part where I tell you exactly what you need to do if you want to own a home in Nigeria. Solution number one: forget about mortgages, okay? Think build as you earn. If you can't afford to buy a house outright, start with land. Any way you can afford, as long as it has good documentation. This is what most self-made landlords in Nigeria do: buy land, fence it, and gradually build over 3 to 5 years. Even if you are still renting, at least you know that your money is growing somewhere. Solution number two: consider housing cooperatives and partnerships. And you are not alone in this, okay? Because some of the most affordable estates in Nigeria are owned by people who came together to buy land in bulk and develop it gradually. Find like-minded individuals and create a housing plan together. You can even join organizations that already offer affordable payment plans. Solution number three: explore government housing schemes. But be smart about it, okay? Oh yes, we all know that government initiatives can be slow and sometimes very unreliable. But if you stay informed, you can grab opportunities when they come. Schemes like the Federal Mortgage Bank and National Housing Fund exist to help Nigerians buy homes with lower interest rates. But the problem is that many people don't even know how to apply. Solution number four: increase your earning power. This one is tough, but it is necessary, okay? The truth is, the easiest way to own property is to make more money, whether through side hustles, investing in high income yielding assets, or even relocating to cheaper cities. The faster you increase your income, the sooner you can get into the property game. And that is just the way it is. Look, a lot of people didn't wait to become millionaires before buying land. They just started early, they built gradually, and today they own homes. You can do the same, but only if you act now. So let's recap. Most Nigerians will never own a home because of the broken mortgage system, rising land prices, lack of strategic planning, but you can beat the system by buying land first and building gradually, joining housing cooperatives, leveraging government housing schemes, and increasing your income. Real estate in Nigeria is not for the rich, it is for the bold. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is now. So what is stopping you? Drop your thoughts in the comment section and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you next content. My name is Ayo Jimmy. Bye-bye.